Friends, hello, thank you so much for being here talking about Dogecoin versus Shiba Coin. Now, as usual, the stock market sucks today, so we're going to be talking about some crypto situations going on right here. Now, as you know, crypto has just been killing it. It keeps getting better and better. Now, when I say Dogecoin versus Shiba Coin, what coin is going to make it? What coin is not going to make it? Are both coins going to make it? Well, when it comes to Shiba Coin alone, this is a very new cryptocurrency going on right now. It is a meme. It is pretty much another coin that pretty much is a joke. But obviously, jokes today can make you millionaires, and things that have hype around them can make you billionaires. And that's what we've seen with Dogecoin. Today, Shiba actually fell a little bit. I mean, we're talking, eighths of a penny here, but yeah, it did fall. But talking about, is Shiba gonna make it? Is this going to make it? Is this really going to be the Dogecoin killer that it's being talked about and built up as? Now, is Shiba Coin going to make you a millionaire? Is it going to bring in, even 1 cent here? Obviously, yeah, this could definitely hit 1 cent. I really think it would be kind of crazy to say at this point, no, it's going to fall apart, nothing's going to happen here. I think a lot of people have learned their lesson with crypto in general. I don't know how many of you know just about crypto, but there's a lot of different cryptos, and there's a lot of different cryptos with crazy names, things that were made as, there's other cryptos that were made as jokes, and those cryptos are well over $5. They do exist. There's so many cryptos. So for us to be narrow-minded right now and think that Shiba Coin won't make it, I think we have to look and ask ourselves, what world are we living in? We're living in a crazy world right now with the stock market, with investing, with where crypto is going. My God, we're talking about going and living on the moon, Mars, all of that, and Dogecoin could send people to space. I mean, look at what we're talking about here. The big negative right now with Shiba Coin, it's still considered a joke to a lot of people. And yeah, it is. But to a lot of people, it's not. And a lot of people are plowing money into it. But Shiba Coin has no celebrities. It has no big names talking about it. There's still a lot of YouTubers that still really aren't talking about it. And really the only thing that is really pushing it and getting it some attention is the fact that it's called the Dogecoin killer, that it's, it's branded off another dog, and Dogecoin has so much hype around it. And friends, one more thing, if you are wanting to actually buy Shiba Coin, you can purchase Shiba Coin on crypto.com. They have an app, they have a website, they have everything you need. But remember, this is at your own risk as an investor. I am not a financial advisor. I am just a guy with a YouTube channel who likes to make content and who obsesses over things like this. So best of luck to everyone. Going on to Dogecoin, what is left with Dogecoin? What can we expect to see with Dogecoin? Honestly, I still believe there's a lot of meat left on the bone here. I believe Dogecoin is just waiting for a life raft at this moment. I believe it's waiting for another tweet. It's waiting for some kind of commercial. It's waiting for somebody to start talking about it again. And two big things that Dogecoin has going for it. Of course, it has Elon Musk. It has Mark Cuban. Those are two people that are really pumping Dogecoin right now. And those are two big guys in the investment world. And they're honestly two guys that you should listen to when it comes to investing. And then we have the new guy on the block who's a millionaire from Dogecoin and who is just now killing it on YouTube. Congratulations to this guy. Totally awesome. But right now, Dogecoin is pretty much sinking right in front of us, and it is waiting for a lifeboat to come and rescue it. And a few days ago, I made a video talking about Dogecoin and saying, don't be surprised to see Dogecoin go back to 30 cents here. Dogecoin has such a history of hitting these highs and then hitting these lows and sitting around there for a short time and then going to a new high. So if Dogecoin were to hit a 30, which I think it's kind of headed that way here, at least this week, don't be surprised when this starts picking up again. Like I said, I really don't think Dogecoin is going anywhere. I think Dogecoin already has so much money invested in it and has so many big players invested in it. It's not going anywhere. It's going to hit $1 by next year. It's going to continue to go up. So I wouldn't be so negative with Dogecoin, friends, to think like, this is not going anywhere. I'm not wasting my time with this. As silly as the word Dogecoin is, it's a real thing and it's not going anywhere. It's here to stay. It is literally making people loads of money every day. And I'm a firm believer that just the common investor is not going to let it die out. But right now, the stock market, stocks themselves are taking a lot of heat. I'm a firm believer that right now we're seeing something right now that for the first time in history where the stock market is going up against talking about inflation. It's going up talking about bonds falling apart. Starting to hear rumors about the housing market could fall apart. We're hearing all these little things. And the stock market is taking effect from each and every one of those things I just said. The hype train that's been building up the stock market. You know, even now, finding a good penny stock, it's not as easy as it was even 3 months ago. It's so much easier just to even go to a simple crypto. There's loads of cryptos that are under $1, under $5 that have crazy volume, crazy movement. I mean, you can easily short trade Doge with $500 and make about 50 to 60 bucks in a day. I mean, look at the volume and look at the movement on this thing. It's not too hard to follow the chart with it right now. But I think we are in a very unique time right now with the stock market. The stock market has those problems I just said, plus it has the crypto issue on it. So many investors, especially young new investors, are switching to crypto because crypto is bringing you faster, higher gains. It moves so much faster. And let's be honest, if you're investing in stocks or crypto, you want to make money. You want to see big gains. And especially just from 2020 to the first 2 months into 2021, when gains were so easy with common stocks, and now the stock market has just been falling apart the past 3 months, you know, people are going to go where the money is. And right now, crypto is bringing in the money. So when it comes to Doge versus Shiba, you know, obviously I'm a firm believer in Doge. I really don't think Doge is going anywhere. I think you're just going to see these big highs, and then we're going to have these little lows, and then we're going to start over again, but we're always going to hit a new high. So when Doge catches on fire again, you know, don't be surprised to see this thing hit a 70 to 80 cent mark. And then people sell off, and then things calm back down, and then it kind of just sits there for a minute, and then we do the same thing over. You know, it's just, I literally make a video every few weeks or month about Doge when it does this. It's the same episode over and over. But I am curious to see if Shiba coin is going to start doing this as well. But obviously, friends, with this Shiba coin, be careful with this one. This is definitely something you definitely want to be careful with because it's still very new. It's still very unknown, and yeah, you can put $1 in it and hold a pretty good amount of equity in it. So friends, here's my thought on Shiba. We need Dogecoin to do good for Shiba to do good. Shiba needs Dogecoin. Right now, Dogecoin does not need Shiba because really the only reason people really know about Shiba and the only reason that it has done anything at this point is because of Dogecoin. People look at Dogecoin and go, wow, man, I wish I would have been that guy that would have bought like, 100 shares when it was, eighth of a cent. Well, here's Shiba. Here is your chance. This is what people are thinking, and this is what people are doing. I literally have been talking to people all week that have literally invested already like $1,000 to $2,000 in this because they think, next month this thing's going to be like 5 cents. And trust me, I hope I'm wrong. I hope this thing goes freaking crazy. I would love that. I'd love to see people make money and change their life. I really do. But I think when Doge does good, Shiba coin is going to be about 10 spaces behind that, slowly going up as well. So to me, Shiba is not so much the Dogecoin killer. It's just kind of the little brother that's always going to be behind it. And as long as Doge is around, I think Shiba is going to have a fighting chance because people are going to be like, well, you know what? I'll go buy that one too, just in case. And that's literally what's going on right now. That's why this thing is alive. But friends, those are my thoughts. This is what I'm seeing with the evidence of Doge and Shiba. I am very curious to watch the Shiba coin and see where it goes and see what it can do here for the future. And right now, that is the only thing it has. It just has common investors buying and trading it. But I do believe Doge is going to be in the lead here because it has Elon, it has Mark Cuban, it has a lot of people running with it, and it's already like 100 laps ahead. So friends, with that, comment, let me know what you think about these two coins. Are you investing in both of them or just one of them? What do you see for the future of these coins? Very interesting where crypto in general is going. One might even say it's starting to get a little ridiculous, but ridiculous seems to be paying the bills for a lot of people these days. Friends, be positive, be you. Take time to invest in your future. So important. Start a YouTube channel. Do something you want to do. Do something you love. Friends, I will talk to you very soon. God bless you guys. Bye, everyone.